Imagine a world where machines learn and think like humans. Intrigued? You're in the right place. This series will unravel the mysteries of AI. We will simplify complex ideas and explain concepts clearly. Artificial intelligence, or AI, means machines simulating human intelligence. Think of it as teaching computers to think like us. This series will guide you through AI from its inception to today's advancements. Let's break down the journey. First, we'll explore the history of AI. Next, we'll discuss key AI technologies. Then, we'll understand how AI impacts our lives. Finally, we'll dive into future trends and possibilities. Starting with history, AI began in the 1950s. Pioneers like Alan Turing laid the foundation. His famous Turing test checks if machines can think. Over decades, AI evolved through various research stages. Now, let's talk about key technologies. Machine learning is a core component. It allows computers to learn from data. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, mimics human brain processes. Together, these technologies pave the way for advancements. AI is everywhere today. From virtual assistants like Siri to Netflix recommendations, AI personalizes our experiences. It transforms industries, improves healthcare, and optimizes logistics. For real-world examples, consider self-driving cars. They use complex algorithms and sensors. These cars analyze surroundings and make decisions in real time. It's not just fiction, it's happening now. In summary, AI is reshaping our world. Understanding its history, technologies, and impacts is vital. This series will equip you with knowledge about this fascinating topic. Ready to dive deeper into AI? Hit the subscribe button. Join us as we demystify artificial intelligence together. Don't miss the next episode. Let's explore the wonders of AI.